Welcome to Rev Up Your Math Muscles. This course is designed to help refresh your memory from 6th grade math to help you be successful in 7th grade math. So the first thing we need to do is set up your new course in Schoology. So you should be at your Schoology. Yours is going to look different than mine. Mine has a bunch of courses in it. Yours probably have no courses in it right now because it is summertime. But if you go up here to courses, and then, courses, and then click on My Courses. Then you should have an option over here that says Join a Course, and then this is where you will put the access code in that you could copy and paste from the email that this video was in. So once you join our course, then it should show up in your courses here. And then the way I have set it up is basically there's some welcome things here you can look through. There's some videos, some discussion boards, although we probably won't use those too often. Mainly what I want you doing is going to each day, you would go to these daily activities. So I'd click here. Memory pegs videos. Most of you were in my class last year. I would love for you to go through those 20 memory pegs so that you can keep, it's a quick way to refresh a lot of different skills that we did throughout the year. For those of you that are new to the class, I explain how to do the memory pegs here, and there's videos of me doing them. I would just like you to go through these math things to remember each day. I think it takes about 2 minutes. But I think it's a good refresher for a lot of different skills to keep fresh. Then Khan Academy is another place that I would like you to go each day. You're going to start by doing a course mastery activity. And there's an email in there about, or a video in there about how to do that. Actually, it's right here. So here's how to join the class, and then down here is a video of how to go to the course mastery. That'll be a good quick review of what you were supposed to learn in 6th grade, and then it'll also set you up to give you assignments of things that you need to review. So part of your daily activities would just be going to that Khan Academy and doing 2 or 3 of the activities that it identified you needed help with. Extra math, one of the best ways you can set yourself up for success in 7th grade is to have those basic facts mastered. So I would love everybody, it's not up yet, but hopefully I'm working with technology to get it running, and I'll send you a message to let you know that it's ready to go. I'd like everybody to go ahead and assess their multiplication. If you are at a level that I think is good for 7th grade, I'll let you know and take that off your plate. If you are struggling with getting those automatically, then that's something you definitely need to practice each day. Then, after you complete those daily activities, you would just go down to whatever day it is. So day 1 is July 6th this year. And these are just some activities that I have put in there for you to work through. You can pick and choose. You can see there's some YouTube videos. Usually there's going to be some games. There's decimals and fractions and activities. So you don't have to do every single thing in this folder, but these are just the ideas of things that you could do. And then the next day you would come in, and here's some activities for you to work from here. Now these, I'll try to archive these day 1 through 4 after the week, put them in the old assignments. So if you missed them a week or missed a day, you could go to those, and then I'll just have the next week's up there visible for you so you don't have a million folders to go through. Remember that this is summer, or I'm remembering, and parents can remember that this is summertime. It is very flexible. I have them broken down by day, but if you have a busy week or you only want to do it Tuesday, Thursday, you can go into those folders anytime you want and complete those activities. If you're on vacation a week, no sweat, don't worry about it. You might let me know that you won't be participating that week, or you can do them after you get back. It's really up to you. Should you ever have any problems, feel free to email me. And I'm happy to set up Google Meets. I can walk you through how to get on things on the computer or different activities of that nature. So the whole idea here is just to set up some time to review things you've already learned from 6th grade so that they are fresh and you are ready to go for 7th grade. I look forward to working with you this summer, and let me know if you have any questions.